Go sit on your mat, Kaia. On your mat. Sit on your mat. Good girl. Treat. When you want another treat, you just call me. You say, Mama. Good girl. You said, Mama. You wanted a treat. If you're done that treat and you want another treat, just call Mama. Do you want one? You have to say Mama. What do you want? Mama? Mama? Mama. 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 I have one more yummy cookie for you. I want to hear Mama. Okay? If you want, you just call Mama.
Mama.
Good girl. I'm so proud of you. Good for you, Kaia. 5 months old and you're the world's smartest puppy. You had lots of treats. Mama loves you. Bye-bye.